This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Sporlac DS Tablet is an effective probiotic supplement. It helps manage diarrhea and supports digestive health. Indications and uses. This supplement is indicated for managing diarrhea associated with infections or antibiotics. It is also effective in relieving symptoms of various digestive disorders, including irritable bowel syndrome, stomach ulcers, constipation, inflammatory bowel disease, and indigestion. How it works. The active ingredient, lactic acid bacillus, restores the balance of good bacteria in the gut and inhibits the growth of harmful microorganisms. Directions for use. Take the tablet as directed by your healthcare provider. It is intended for oral use only. Swallow the tablet whole with water, without crushing, chewing, or cutting it. Adhere to the prescribed dosage and do not exceed the recommended daily intake. Possible side effects. Some users may experience side effects such as nausea, rashes, or bloating. In rare cases, abdominal pain may occur. Precautions and warnings. Always follow the doctor's instructions regarding the use of this supplement. Consult your healthcare provider if you have any allergies to its components or if you are taking other medications, including antibiotics or herbal supplements. FAQs. 1. Are there any dietary guidelines while taking this supplement? Yes, it's advisable to consume light meals and stay hydrated. 2. How much should I take? Follow your doctor's prescription. 3. Is it safe during pregnancy? Consult your doctor before use. 4. Can it be used for stomach infections? Yes, it helps manage symptoms of digestive tract inflammation. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below.